Hello guys, welcome to DHAATRI Solutions. Today I will show you a project called Train Booking System. We know train journey is very comfortable, economical and fastest way to reach our longest distances. So we mostly prefer if the journey is too long, so we almost prefer train for our journey. In earlier days, if you want to go by train, we have to book the tickets physically by visiting the railway station. There we will buy tickets in the ticket counter by paying the relevant amount. But we don't know before approaching to the railway station how many tickets are there. If we don't find any tickets, we have to go back disappointed. So technology has improved so vastly. We have every opportunity and very flexible ways to book tickets, so that's why we have came up with idea to build a website for train ticket booking. So let's see the flow of train ticket booking system. In this project we have two modules, admin and customer. Admin in this project have predefined login credentials. Admin will log in with those. After logging into his account, admin will add the train names and compartments. After adding the trains, admin will view the trains. After adding the trains, in these trains, admin will add compartments and how many seats are available in this particular compartments. After adding compartments, admin will schedule the timings of the journey. When this journey will start, admin will decide and schedule. Admin can view the schedules as well. Customer needs to register by giving the details like email, name, phone number, password, address, etc. After logging into their accounts, customers view trains based on their need. After looking at the trains, they can search the trains by uh, schedules by source and destination. From A to B, if they want to go, they will search that source and destination, and if there is any scheduled trains available, they will find here. After finding a train based on their needs, routes, and destination, customers can view the seating layouts to book the tickets. They can select the seats. After selecting the seats, customers have to pay the relevant amount for the particular seats they have selected by viewing the layout. So after booking confirmation, they can view the payment details they have done, and these payment details and booking details will also visible to the admin. If customers want to cancel the booking, they can easily cancel by clicking on cancel button. Customers can see all the cancelled and completed journeys in view bookings history. This is all the flow. Let's look at the website once. This is the homepage of train ticket booking. So now, as we have discussed, that admin will have predefined login credentials such as our email as admin@gmail.com and password as admin. Admin will log in. This is the homepage of administrator. Admin will add trains. So first of all, he will add the train name, train number. This is the unique number for every train. This is the train we have added now, just now. So for this train, admin will add compartments. So train's compartment name, number of seats in this compartment, if it's 20, class type to us or a tire, so price per seat. Now compartment added, we can see here compartment name one as number of seats, class type and price. Now admin will schedule the journey, if it's some random to 2050, end date, journey end date. From station we have to mention to station. date, and platform number. Scheduled, so we can see here view schedule. By clicking on view schedule, we can see here, and here we can filter that by train name, source and destinations will be visible. Based on these as well, we can search the trains. You can see layout like this. By clicking on view bookings, admin can view the bookings happen to this train. So let's move on to customer. Customers needs to register first by giving the name, email address, phone number, and password. They have to mention the gender and age as well. Okay, now customers can log in after successful registration. Mail and password they have given while their registration. This is the home page of customer. They can view the trains. All the trains will be visible if there is any other than this. So they can view the schedule as well. This is the schedule time. They can even choose it by selecting this train name, which means if there is any, they can find. If there is no, they cannot find anything. So let's see. Sources, second, and join. So this is the schedule time they want. If they change the time, they might not find any trains on the source and destination because we scheduled this as a current date. So this is 10. By clicking on book button, they can view the layout. They can book seats. So for these seats, we have to give the passenger names, right? They have to mention their age and gender. They have to mention the age for another female. They have to choose type of card. They have card holder name, 16 digits of card number, expire date, card expire date we have to give, and CVV. Now payment successful, we can view the bookings. By clicking on bookings, we can see the booking from source and destination, which train number, compartments, all the things. These are the seats they have booked. So payment, which platform the train is coming. We can see the details here. So if these are the tickets for 2 passengers, if you want to see, this is for 1 person, this is for 1 person. If they click on payment details, they can view the card details and how much they have paid for this journey. So now administrator can also view the bookings that happen in this. So let's see once. View schedule, view layout. Here in bookings, we can see here once. You can observe these two are booked seats and these are available seats. You can see the bookings here. By clicking on payment details, how much they have paid, admin can view. Okay, this is all about train booking system. Thank you for watching.